Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Could you please give me a short introduction?
I read in class 6 and my name is Kempamil Tashdid. My father is a job holder and my mother is a housewife. And as you know that, I'm a learning partner of Ilyas English World.
Okay, so how long have you been learning English at EW?
I'm learning.
Is it I'm learning English or I have been learning English?
I have been learning English. I have been learning English before 6 years.
Okay, so that's great. So let's talk about festivals. How do you celebrate festivals in your country? And how many festivals do you have in your country?
There are many types of festivals like religion festival and it's our national festival, etc.
Like we have Poila Boishakh,
Yes, sir.
Victory
Yes,
Day, Independence Day.
And we have Eid Day. And Eid Day is very important for Islam religion, and the Hindu religion have many pujas like Durga Puja, Kali Puja, etc. And the Buddhas are Buddha Purnima, and Christians are have May Day, Easter Sunday.
Okay, Tashdid. Okay, আমাকে ইংরেজি শিখতে হবে কি হবে?
I have to learn English.
তোমাকে ইংরেজি শিখতে হবে।
You have to learn English.
তাদেরকে ইংরেজি শিখতে হবে।
They have to learn English.
ইলিয়াস স্যারকে ইংরেজি শিখতে হবে।
Ilyas sir have to learn English.
ইলিয়াস স্যার has to
learn English.
আমাকে ইংরেজি শিখতে হয়েছিল।
I had to learn English.
আমাকে ইংরেজি শিখতেই হবে।
I must have to
I
learn
will
English.
have to learn
I will
English.
have to learn English.
Okay, আমার ইংরেজি শেখার কথা। I'm supposed to learn English.
Supposed to learn English.
তোমার ইংরেজি শেখার কথা।
You supposed to learn
You
English.
are
supposed to learn.
তাদের ইংরেজি শেখার কথা।
They are supposed to learn English.
আমার ইংরেজি শেখার কথা ছিল।
I have supposed to learn. I was supposed to learn
English. By the way, you are doing great, but seems to me that, as you know, there always should be a room for improvement.
Yes, sir.
So you have to improve yourself.
Okay, sir.
So are you happy with our services?
Yes, sir. I always be happy with your service.
Are you fathers and mothers, they happy with our services?
Yes, sir.
Are they
obviously.
happy with our services?
Yes, sir.
Are they happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many friends did you invite to join here?
Sir, at least, sir, 12 to 15.
15 friends you
Yes,
invited. Oh my goodness, that means a lot. Okay, thank you very much, Tashdid. So
Okay,
I like to know the last thing, the best thing about you.
Sir, I have a little confident, I think.
Little confidence. Why are you saying that you have little confidence? Little
Sir.
means nine. If I say I have little friends, it means in Bangla আমার বন্ধু নাই বললেই চলে. If I say I have little water, it means that আমার কাছে পানি নাই বললেই চলে. Have you got it? So little is a negative word.
Okay, sir.
Have you got it? I mean little, few, these are negative words. So you cannot say I have few friends.
Okay.
I have
Few friends.
it means আমার বন্ধু নাই বললেই চলে. If you say I have a few friends, তখন এটা বাংলা হবে আমার কিছু বন্ধু আছে. Okay? So thank you very much. I had a nice conversation.